Is bruising normal after you have a knee replacement? Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. And in this video, I'm going to answer that question. Is bruising normal after a knee replacement? And what can you do about it? How can you make that bruising go away faster? A lot of the patients, when they have a knee replacement and they come into the clinic, they get scared. They get overwhelmed and surprised by the amount of bruising that they get after the knee replacement. And they get scared because we have this notion that when you see a bruise, it's a bad thing. So now I want to tell you the short answer there is bruising normal after a total knee replacement? The short answer is yes, it is normal after a knee replacement. And this is why. Because when you have a knee replacement, as you undergo a knee replacement, the doctors have to put a tourniquet on your thigh area. Now the tourniquet is going to prevent your blood, is going to prevent you from bleeding out. Because remember, they have to cut your knee out. So that means they have to cut the bone on top and they have to cut the bone on the bottom, put metal prostheses there so that you can have your knee, your prosthetic knee. If they do not put a tourniquet in there, nothing's going to stop the blood flow and it's going to keep bleeding. So they put the tourniquet there to control that bleeding, to minimize the bleeding. Now, when they put the tourniquet in there, there's going to be pressure. You will normally get that bruise in that area. That's why you're going to have a lot of bruising on your thighs. Now, why is the bruising sometimes actually goes to the knee and even to the calf area? I have patients who get scared because the whole leg is all bruised up. They're surprised because they would understand why the bruising is on the thigh, but they don't understand why the bruising goes up to the level lower leg or to the calf area. Now, this is why, because the moment that you put your leg down, you're sitting, you're standing, you're walking, gravity is going to start pulling the blood down. When gravity is bruising, is because of the blood. Now, as it pulls the blood down, it's going to pull the bruising down also. So it's going to make it bigger the more you are in that upright position. But you have to walk, you have to get up. So you cannot avoid that. So that's why the bruising gets bigger. Now, what do you do about that? How can you make that bruising go away faster? And this is what I recommend you to do, the same as I recommend to all my patients. Ice the area. Now, if you have more bruising, then you have to ice a bigger area. So basically, if you have bruising only on the thigh, you ice the thigh area. But if you have bruising all the way going to your lower leg, you have to ice going all the way to that area. So that way, because ice makes your blood vessels constrict and it lessens the blood flow there, and you will have less bruising. I also recommend elevating your leg. When you elevate the leg, it counters the pull of gravity because the length of time that you're in the upright position, gravity is going to pull down. Then if you elevate your leg, at least that's going to help counter that. So it will minimize or it will lessen the spread of that bruising. So that way you can get it to a smaller area. It doesn't look as bad, and also it's easier to ice. All right, so there you go. Now you understand why you have that bruising. Now you understand that it is normal, and now you know what to do to make that bruising go away faster. Thank you very much for your time, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it. And if you know anyone who's going to have a knee replacement or is just underwent a knee replacement, please share this with them so that they can understand about the bruising and what to do about it to make it go away faster. All right? So shoot your comments or questions in the comment section below. I would love to hear your questions. We do our best to answer all the questions that you have. I will shoot them in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you can get alerted when we release our new videos every week. Thank you very much, and I appreciate you.